Welcome back at 6:43 on Daybreak, and we are continuing to highlight nurses across Western New York. We're celebrating those who are dedicated to making their communities healthier.
And this morning's Daybreak's Karis Belger has the story of a nurse practitioner in Buffalo who is working to make sure communities of color have access to resources and information about the vaccine and overall healthy living.
When presented with the opportunity to help her community during the pandemic, Willa Arnett took the chance.
Early January, I got a text out of the blue. It said, are you interested in working in the vaccine clinic?
Willa has been helping with vaccine distribution at UB's South Campus.
I started that first week that they opened at UB, and I've been there almost every weekend.
While helping oversee things at the clinic, Willa's been trying to make sure people of color are getting access to the vaccine as well. But that's not all.
I go to Hopewell Baptist Church, and there I was in charge of the health ministry.
The health ministry at Hopewell Baptist Church was created by Pastor Dennis Lee Jr., and he says Willa's involvement already made a difference, and it meant the congregation was prepared when the pandemic hit.
We had this health ministry going on, and so people had a lot of information going into the COVID, and so we were able to stay the course. Most of our members that I know of have already received the vaccination because of, I believe, because of the health information we had prior.
That information came from Willa, and she continued to talk to people in her congregation and community about ways to stay healthy during the pandemic. For her, the reward is the increasing number of people asking for her help and the progress people make when they take her advice.
You can see that they actually listen and they trust you, and they actually carry out what the plan of care is.
And Willa says that her next goal is to try and encourage more younger people to get the vaccine because she knows that younger people have had a rise in cases. And she also wants to make sure that overall people know how they can continue to make lifestyle changes so that they can stay healthy beyond the pandemic. Reporting in Buffalo, I'm Karis Belger. Back to UP and Melissa.